Welcome to a groundbreaking adventure in architecture and design, as we take you on an exclusive tour of the remarkable box-hop shipping container homes in Ohio, USA. Nestled in the heart of Ohio's scenic landscapes, the box-hop shipping container homes stand as a testament to innovation and sustainable living. Meet Emily and Seth Britt, the creative minds behind the box-hop, a unique shipping container home located just outside Columbus, Ohio. This innovative design uses 3 shipping containers, 2 forming the base and 1 placed on top, pushing the boundaries of traditional container home design and generating a lot of buzz on social media. Seth's dream of building a home from shipping containers had been brewing for over a decade. Despite working full-time jobs, Emily as a realtor and Seth as a logistics manager, raising 2 young children, and preparing for their third, the couple turned their dream into reality in a wooded area near Hocking Hills State Park last year. Their journey was both exciting and challenging, as they shared with us during our interview. First, you might be wondering, what's the story behind the name, box-hop? Emily explains, the name, box, comes from the shape of the containers, and hop is another word for a short stay. Seth adds, we brainstormed several names, but Emily's idea won in the end. So, how did their dream of creating a shipping container home start? Seth reflects, the idea struck me while I was in college at Ohio State. At the time, I was working at FedEx, loading trucks and shipping containers. One rainy day, as I was loading a container, I noticed how it remained dry and sealed against the rain. I thought about the vast space inside, enough to hold 2,000 packages. That's when the idea of building a house from containers took shape. We spent a couple of years dreaming and planning. With a growing number of shipping container structures out there, how did they make their creation stand out? Emily explains, a lot of people asked us about our research and how long we looked at other container homes. We didn't get caught up in the market. One common trait of Seth and me is that when we have a dream, we go for it without needing to follow trends. We designed it to be unique, avoiding the double-wide manufactured home feel. Offset containers created an entryway, showcasing the use of 3 distinct containers instead of merging them together. When it came to interior design, what were their inspirations? Emily shares, we focused on keeping the space simple, preserving its uniqueness. Given the small size of the home and the natural surroundings, we aimed for maximum natural light by incorporating a 15-foot glass sliding door. I wanted a touch of modern edginess, different from the rustic, country-style spaces you often find in the area. Their journey wasn't without its challenges. Seth describes the 7 months of hard work as blood, sweat, and tears, with late nights and long weekends. He worked a 9-to-5 job during the week and commuted 45 minutes to the box-hop, often working late into the night. They faced unexpected obstacles, such as a flash flood that moved one of their containers 300 feet into a neighbor's yard, and they had to deal with injuries and setbacks. As for the trees, they tried to preserve as many as possible. Emily explains that the property was initially a hunting plot with a cleared path for animals. They widened the trail and graded the clearing without removing many trees. Regarding the construction, Seth had to cut all the windows and doors on site, which took several days. He jokes that a plasma cutter would have been a valuable investment. Why did they choose this particular location? Emily explains, we both grew up visiting Hocking Hills. The area lacked unique and modern accommodations, primarily consisting of typical cabins. We wanted to offer something different in a place that sees a high number of visitors. Now that their project is complete, they enjoy spending time there themselves, taking advantage of the local outdoor activities, wineries, breweries, farmers markets, and the beauty of the changing seasons. Ohio's weather provides them with all 4 seasons, making it a versatile destination. They even enjoy snowy winters, and a local service helps clear the snow. For those interested in building their own shipping container home, Emily suggests planning for more time and money than expected, as costs can vary depending on the materials used. Seth emphasizes the challenges he faced during HVAC and plumbing installation, given the steel ribs of the containers. However, he finds the idea of repurposing containers that have reached the end of their original use to be invaluable and is eager to work on more such projects in the future.